We're going to be looking at this cane with a seat. So if you are an older person, or if you have an older person in your life that you are thinking about getting a cane for, this might be perfect because even though, you know, my legs were perfectly fine, thankfully, it gets tiring out there. So I can imagine if you're walking around and, you know, you have a cane, your legs definitely might get tired. This might solve your tired problems. All right, we're opening it for the very first time. Boom! This is it! All right, guys, so here's the cane. See it on the floor. It feels pretty sturdy. I'll put some specs on the screen so you can see like just how sturdy it is. I'm not too familiar with canes. This is literally my first impression of it. So yeah, I mean, okay, I don't use canes, but I can see how like this would be great. Actually, one time I had surgery on my leg because it got cut and I couldn't walk for a while. So you know what? I'm having flashbacks to how this would have been so useful to walk around in instead of a crutch. All right, let's check out the seating portion. So just like this, I'm assuming just pops out like that, and it totally does. Okay, and I guess we can just sit on it. This is so useful. Not even like just as a cane. This is a nice chair. Definitely don't want to lean back on it. But for, you know, being what it is, a 3-spoke thing, this is super sturdy. Like the plastic, I can really feel like it can hold my weight. If there's any weight maximums, I'll put them on the screen so you can see for yourself. But hey, I'm chilling just like this. I can chill just like this. Bro, I might actually keep this in my car. The cane is adjustable. So there are like 3 parts right here, and you can push this pin in and you can have it go up multiple levels if you want the cane taller. So let's actually look at that. We can fold the seat back up, just goes really quickly like that. And now the cane is taller. So it can go from this position to this position to this position to this position. And when it's in this position, it is super compact. I'm about 5'7" and it goes lower than my hip. I don't know if that's standard for canes, but this is really flat and all it just extends out to is like this, and that's just for the seating. So yeah, I mean, as a cane, I don't know what else qualifies as a good cane, but this is pretty great. It's got a little hole part here, so it has a little dangly bit. You can probably hang some keys on, or you can hang this somewhere. Oh, that's pretty smart. You come home, hang this up real quick. The handle, it's soft. It's like a rubber texture, and you can grip it pretty well. I think it curves well to the hand. The seat obviously was super good. I was impressed by it. I mean, bro, I might just like sit down here for a while and say thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you think about this cane. I think it's a pretty good investment if you're looking for a cane chair, because obviously it's holding my weight and I'm pretty hooligan-like, so I'm hooliganing around on it. It's holding me up just fine. Yeah, let me know what you think of this cane chair, and if you want to grab one for yourself, it will be below.